This conference will now be recorded.
Right. Good morning, all of you. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Good morning, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good morning, all of you. Right. So in the previous class, we discussed about features. Right. So today, guys, we start how to install Python software and what are the requirements to install Python software. To install Python software. Right. All of you observe clearly. Python Python installation, guys. Python installation. Python installation. Okay. So install Python software, right? We don't need any pre-requirements, guys. We don't need any which one other softwares. Okay. So directly what we do, we go to the right. See, when you talk about the hardware configuration, right? So generally you can go with very normal hardware configuration also, no problem, guys. As for software said, right, no need of any other softwares to start installing Python software. When you come to the Django, right? Hardware. So you can have the very low or average configuration of hardware. No need of any high configuration, guys. Okay, right. So first, what we do, we go to an website. From there, we download Python, guys. Website name is python.org. Python.org, guys. Okay, I'll try to show you python.org. Python.org. Right. So guys, here see only one page directly. Okay. So what's the website name? Python.org. Right. And here we can give some tabs are there here. Right. Suppose about is there, downloads is there, documentation is there, community is there. Right. Some success stories and news and events, guys. Now we'll go with which one? We'll go with downloads. Which one? Downloads, guys. Now click on the downloads. Just keep the cursor there. If you keep the cursor on the downloads, then automatically, right, it is displaying. And here we can see the latest version of Python showing. Latest version of Python, guys. Python showing here. Python 3.9.0. Actually, Python. When you come to the Python, actually, guys, Python, right? So observe. So Python 1 was there, then Python 2, right? And this third one is a Python 3, guys. Okay. So in the 3 also like a 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 4, 5, 3.6, like that. In 2 also like 2.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like that. That's why. So simply it is called which one? Python 2x version, 2x series. You can say Python 2x. 2x means in any subversion Python, maybe 2.1 or maybe 2.2 or 2.3 or 2.4, 2.6, 2.7, like that. Anyone 2x means. So it's called Python 3x version. Just rightly you can say Python 3x. Python right 3x version I'm using. So 3x means in the 3 it may be any subversion, maybe 3.1, maybe 3.2, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9. Or if you want to say exact number, you can say I am using 3.9.0, 3.6.5, 365, 390. You can specify the number also. Okay. So nowadays, guys, we are not getting any updates in the Python 2x. No updates, no new versions in Python 3x, guys. Okay, this year onwards, up to this year means before this year January, right? We keep on get the updates in Python 2, in Python 3. But this January onwards, they decided no updates in Python 2, only Python 3 only Python 3 updates. Okay. So in the Python 3 also, a latest version, guys, here the latest version is the 3.9.0. 3.9.0. Okay, right. Fine. Now just click on this one, click on the downloads, right? Click on the downloads. Downloads, yes guys. Now it is downloading here. See, if you observe clearly, how much size is there for Python? Just guys, 27. How much? 27 only. 27 guys. Okay, how much is there? Right, 27 is there. Right, 27 is there. 27 is there. Okay, so in the same case, you know how much WhatsApp size, right? WhatsApp, right? WhatsApp. Okay, so the WhatsApp guys, maybe it is also around 24 or 25 guys. The WhatsApp is I think guys 24 or 25. I think it's also 25 MB, right? So WhatsApp 25 MB. Very happily using 24 hours. Just Python it's also 27, maybe 2 MB difference. Why don't we use 24 hours Python? Why don't we practice 24 hours Python when both are having same size, right? Why don't we work more time Python? We are showing the more interest on the which one WhatsApp guys. Okay, so we have to focus. We have to focus more on the Python guys. More on the Python. When you get the free time, right? When you get the free time, just see. You know, in mobile also you can install the Python software. Means not software guys. It's the application is there. In the Play Store, some apps are there. Because 24 hours you can't carry our mobile laptop, right, to practice. Okay, in our home we practice which one Python in the laptop. In the office you can practice Python in the laptop. Suppose you are going on the in the bus, for example, you're going in the car, you have a doubt in Python, a logic doubt is there. Then what do we think? Okay, I can do it after going home, after going office, after going room. We postpone it. Instead of that one, the mobile phone, just go to Play Store, type there Python application or Python practice like that. Some apps will come, download and install guys. Those you can use happily. In case of Python, I'm saying that. Okay, fine. Now, someone did not mute the mic. Someone did not mute the mic. Okay, so fine guys. So here what happened now? In our case, just now, right? Python is downloaded. Okay, Python is downloaded, right? Downloaded. Python is downloaded. Okay. Suppose guys, if you want any old versions, see, I am showing here the latest version, but I want old versions in 3x only. I want 3.5, 3.6. Then just move down. Just guys, move down. You can find that. You can find all versions. Right, you can find all versions somewhere guys here. Yes, download, right? This is the latest version. Okay, somewhere is there. Just let me check once here. See, right, one link is there, view, right, the full list of downloads. Okay, if I click here downloads, click on this one. Now let's go down guys. Yes, can you see here, right? Can you see the latest previous versions, right? This 3.9 current one, right? 3.9 current one. Okay, 3.8, 3.7, 3.6, 2.7. Just you can move down, right? You can move down. You get all the versions guys. You get all the versions, right? All the versions, right? So this is the place where you can download. All of it is the place, right, where you can download. See, the 3.9.1 released in guys just December 9. So December 9, so 7 means before our demo day. Before demo day it is released. Which one? 391. Okay, 390 released in October 5 guys, right? Okay, right. So whatever you want, if you want the previous versions, right, previous versions, just go down and click download button guys, automatically it will download. Okay, just here you have the cursor, right? Cursor is there. Whatever the version you want, you can just get from there guys. Okay, see, if you observe in 19, right, in 19 we have the one Python 2, right? Python 2 is there. Python 2 is there, right? Python 2 is there. Okay, Python 2 is there. When in 19, let us try in the 20 guys. In the 20, do you have Any release of Python 2 or not? Let's check once, right? Right. Just observe, guys. Okay. Anywhere is there? Actually, they decided to not release the right. Actually, they decided to not release any latest versions of which one now? Python 2.6 two version. But any release is there? 368, 37, 36, 38, 38, 37. Oh, guys, observe, right? Observe here. Yes, there is a release, right? In 2020 also, one Python release is there, right? Python 2 release is there. In when 2020 also. But in January, they made notification also. They made notification for all Python developers, right? Python programmers. Okay, which one are going to stop Python 2 updates. But very rare, only one came, right? Only one came. But remaining all, right? Remaining all Python 3 only came. Okay, fine, guys. Now what happened here? I download this one, right? It is downloaded. All of observe. Now click on the software. Click on the all of observe now. Only one step is there, but the important step, guys. All of observe clearly. And only one step is there. Only one step is there. If you open the software, we have only one step. All of right, just it's opening. 1 second, guys. It's opening. Where is that one? Yes, guys. Okay. Now all of observe just one step only. One step, guys. Only one step. But important, guys. Very important step. Okay. I told you about the path, right? About the path I told you. So here only one step is there, guys. Only right. Only one step is there. But here, right? Only one step. Only one step. Okay. Only one step is there. What the step here? So what do we do, right? What do we do here? Now just observe, guys. Observe here. Let observe here. So what is there? Install now is there. Customize installation is there, and one checkbox is there. All of you observe very clearly, guys. Observe very clearly. Observe very clearly, right? Very clearly. Okay. So what is there here? Install now. Install now is there. Customize installation is there, right? And what is there? Right? Checkbox is there. Okay. Checkbox is there. Checkbox is there. Checkbox is there. Okay. Then so what do we do now, right? What do we do? So which one do you choose, right? Do we choose like install now or customize installation? Okay. So all of you observe what is difference first of all here. If you choose install now, install now, then automatically our Python software will install in this location, guys. In this location. All right. If you click on the install now, then automatically our Python software will install in this location. It's giving the our default location for Python software. Like see users, right? Narayana, app data, local programs of Python, Python 3.9. This is the one point. This is the one point. Next one, it includes ideally all of observe. It includes ideally. It includes a pip. It includes the right documentation. It includes a documentation. So here three parts are there. Ideally is there, PP is there, and documentation is there. So what is ideally? What is PIP? What is the documentation? Right? Documentation. Just guys observe. So what is coming there? Ideally coming. Next PIP coming, and documentation coming, guys. These three coming. These three coming, guys. Okay. This will include, right? See what is there here includes IDLE, PIP, and the documentation. What is the use of each one? Let us see now. So IDLE is used. It stands for a integrated development and learning environment, guys. Integrated developing and learning environment, right? Environment. So why this one? So this is used for doing the projects, for practice purpose, for developing the projects, guys. Okay. So this ideally is an application which is used to make the practice of Python programs or to write the Python projects. Okay. So the same ideally of installing, what we do, we go to the which one? Go to the search box, right? Search box, and this, and I can try from here. See, IDLE. See, it's coming up. Actually, in my laptop already I have some version, right? Already 3.6.5 is there. 3.6 is there in my laptop already. Okay, so all of observe, right? Now I'm trying 3.9 version, right? 3.9 I'm trying now, but in my laptop already what is there? 3.6 is there. That ideally opening, guys. For anyone, any version, this ideally is common. Okay, now so just you go there, right? Ideally will come, guys. Ideally will come, and click on this one now. Click on this one now. Now it will open one application. There to make the practice, guys. So this is the ideally it's called shell also, and here we make the practice. This is the default editor for which one? For every Python programmer. Along with this one, do we use any extra editors also, like PyCharm, Visual Studio Code, Atom, right? Like this, so many notebooks, so many are there, guys. So many are there. TypeScript is there, right? 8 plus is so many you can use. Eclipse, okay. So Jupyter Notebook. This is all we can use, guys. But default one, this is the default one. This is the default one in Python, guys. All of clear, right? See what I'm saying here. So for practice purpose, I'm saying for practice, for developing projects, right? For practice purpose, what we use, it's giving by default, right? Default ideal is coming. By default, it's coming, right? Ideal is coming, guys. Plus, we can use any editor also. Any editor is possible. Which is possible, sir? What we use generally? Suppose you can use the PyCharm. I can use, or I can use the Atom. I can use a Visual Studio Code. We can use Eclipse, Eric, right? Jupyter Notebook. Is all possible, guys. Is all possible. But is the default one. You can download this all and install, guys, manually. This is PyCharm, Atom, Visual Studio. But this is also for doing Python projects only. But we download from Google manually and we install those. But ideally is the default one. It's the default one for every Python programmer. Okay, there's the IDLE, there's the IDLE, right? IDLE, right? So I hope guys clear, right? About IDLE, it stands for Integrated Development and Learning Environment, right? So this is for which one? For practice, right? Practice or developing, guys, developing projects. For developing, right? Developing projects, right? Okay, developing, right? Python projects. Next, pip is there. What is pip, sir? What is pip and why pip required? Why pip required? Now, all of you, very important point. Observe, very important point here. Very important. See, I told you clearly, Python is powerful, right? See, Python is simple, easy, powerful. Okay, why powerful? Why powerful, guys? Why Python is a powerful language? I told you one point. What's the point? Python is a simple language. Python is an easy language. Python is a powerful language. Why powerful language? Why powerful language? Now observe here. Python powerful language because right, because it supports lot of modules, lot of modules, guys. How many types of modules are there? How many types are there? Like first one, system defined modules are there. System defined modules are there. System defined modules are there. That's first one. The second one is which one? Right? User defined modules are there. User defined modules are there. Right? All of you observe. Okay, modules are there. The third one is there. What is third one? What is third one? Third party, right? Third party, right? Modules are there, guys. Third party modules are. System defined, user defined, third party. System defined means system defined means which one? They come along with software, guys. They come along with softwares. They come along with software. Okay, user defined means as a developer, as a programmer, we develop, guys, as per my requirement. I can develop as per my requirement. Okay, so in my laptop, in my ideally, I can develop my own modules, Okay, so we can develop, right? We can develop modules, right? Modules, guys. We can develop modules. Okay, we can develop modules. Okay. Then third party is there. So third party means see, they are not default in software, right? They are not default in software, and they are not developed by the programmers. As a programmer, as a Python software user, we cannot develop the third party. We can develop it, but it's come under a separate organization, guys. Okay, so as a programmer or as a user of the Python software, we don't develop, and they are not default also. Then who develop it? This one, some third-party companies, some third-party, right? Some third-party companies, right? Some third persons, third parties, other people, right? Other people means not the software developers, not the software users. Okay, so all of observe here. These are the which one? Software developers developed. These are the software users developed. Then these are which one? Not software developers, not software users. Some other people developed and kept available in the internet. Okay, those we can download and we can install, guys. All right. Okay, some third-party companies. Okay, some third-party people, third-party people, right? People developed. Okay, people developed, guys. Developed and kept available in the internet. Some third-party people, okay, developed and kept available to whom? Python programmers or Python programmers, guys. And they kept available for whom? Python, right? Python programmers, right? Python programmers. So what can we do as a Python programmer? We can download and install, guys. Download and install in our mission. The question is how to download, from where to download, how to download, from where to download, right? So guys, for these third-party modules, we don't have a specific website. Okay, why? Because Python supports a lot of third-party modules. We can't remember all websites names. Okay, that's why simply what they did here, just open the command prompt. Just open the command prompt, cmd command prompt, and here from here we download Python third-party modules. All right, because you can't go to any website. Why? Because Python supports suppose 1,000 third-party modules, for example, guys. 1,000 third-party modules. So you can't remember 1,000 websites names, right? So that's why. So what happened here? Just open the command prompt. Then observe all of you pip install Django. It is on third-party module. Right, pandas enough. Like matlib, right? Matplotlib. Right, numpy like this. Sorry guys, click enter. Sorry guys, okay. Sorry. So numpy, right? Numpy like this. PyMySQL. Pygame, right? Pygame, right? Like this, guys. Pygame like this. These are third-party modules are downloading by which one? By using pip, by using pip, guys. Without pip, in this case actually, without pip, we cannot get the third-party modules. We can't get the third-party modules guys without pip. Without pip, we cannot get a third-party modules. Third-party modules. Third-party modules guys. Okay, so that remain now. So what second one na pip. Pip stands for generally. Pip stands for Python package installer. Python package installer. Python package installer. Okay, this pip also come along with Python software. This pip also coming along with the Python software, and why this one is used for installing which one? Python, right? Python third party modules, right? Python third party modules. Python third party modules, guys. Third party modules. Python third party modules, right? Python third party, okay, third party modules. That's all. So I hope you guys are clear, right? About ideally about pip, right? About pip, right? I hope you are clear. Okay. So ideally means which one? It stands for integrated development and learning environment, which is used for practicing or developing Python programs or Python projects. So pip stands for, right? Pip stands for so which one? Python, right? Python package installer. You can select this pip Python package installer, and this is for which one? For installing the Python third-party packages. Right? Simply we go to command prompt and just type there pip install some package name, some module name, guys, some module name. Okay, module name. Okay, right. Now third one is there. What's third one? Documentation. What's third one? Documentation, guys. Documentation. So what is documentation here? For example, see, observe here. So I want to get a list of all Python keywords. Just I showed already help of right? Help of keywords. Fine. Now some keywords are there, right? Some keywords are there. Now fine. Now here I don't know, right? I don't know about false, guys. I don't know about false. I don't know about false. Or I don't know about none. I want to know now. I don't know about except. Or finally, if you don't know anything, right? Generally, what we do, we open the Google and to type there Python def keyword, del keyword, Python else keyword, Python import keyword, right? See, observe. So generally what do? I open the right website. Let's go there and what's my doubt? Python def keyword. I want to know about Python def keyword. Right, it gives lot of websites, guys. It gives a lot of websites about which one def keyword. Okay, so you can go through websites. We can learn, right? We can learn, but okay, it may be more useful, but it takes a little bit time, like opening the Google and typing the requirement and searching for the correct website. Open the website, read it, understand. It takes a little bit time. That's why to save our time, so they provided the default documentation Python software. Documentation, guys, some matter information about the keywords. Suppose if I click here, suppose some website is there. Some websites is there. If I click here, that displays some keywords, right? Some keyword displaying. Just observe now. If I click suppose about anyone, false or none, and anyone, right? And now see what is happening here, displaying that this table, right? This table or about assert I'm trying, right? Assert it's giving, right? It's giving the requirement, the example, these are giving. Okay, miss this is called documentation about which one assert in this website. Every website is giving the documentation of every keyword, guys. Okay, about this keyword, it's giving the documentation with example also. But I don't want to go to website, guys. I don't want to go to website. Then what do we do? Yes, here only Python giving you default documentation also. Simply help of I want to know about def. That's all. I want to know def. So why do we use def? I want to know def. Click enter. Yes, guys, you can see. Okay, you got a lot of points, guys, here about def. See the example also, right? Example came here, right? Example definitions. It supports, right, lot of arguments, default arguments, non-default arguments, keyword arguments. Okay, lot of supports. See, guys, these are definition and the syntax is all supporting here, right? Next one, suppose I want to go with another keyword, for example. All of you observe. Let us go with anyone now. Let's go with anyone, guys. Anyone. Help of. Let's take suppose Dell, guys. Dell is the keyword, right? I want to know about Dell. I want to know about Dell, right? Dell. Now observe, guys. Okay, observe here, right? So this one I wrote, right? There it's giving the title. See the Dell statement. Some starts being like under the underline. Some syntax is there. Some definition is there. When do we use? Right? These all points are there, guys. These all points are there. About if you use the Dell, when the name error will come, right? When we use the global keyword, this all, guys, everything will come, guys, everything will come about these keywords. That's why, so as a point here, Python gets a default documentation, right? Okay, which one? For here for reference purpose, right? We use this one for purpose, reference for, I think REFF, right? Something else, reference purpose. For reference purpose, right? Purpose, something like this. Okay, so all of you observe now what you got here. You're getting the ideally, getting the pip, getting the documentation, guys. Okay, what's first one? Ideally is coming, pip is coming, and the documentation is coming. These three coming, guys. Okay, I'll open again software. Yes. So what I'm trying here, I'm going to click on the install now. If I click here, then Python will install this default path. At the same time, it includes ideally, it includes pip, it includes right documentation. Say. So I told you clearly what is ideally, I explained just now. Okay. Next one now. What is the pip? Just we have seen now. About pip, right? About pip we have seen. And documentation means it gives some kind of right notes, you can say. It gives some kind of notes, guys. That's all. And commonly shortcuts all comes, right? Shortcuts all. Now there's which one install now. If you go with customize installation, right? Customize installation, then guys here this path, right? Path is there. That path we have to specify manually. Suppose I don't want to install C in the Python the C drive. I want to go with any other website drive, maybe E drive or D drive or F drive. Then guys, we go with customize installation. Customize installation, guys. Only just what change here, mainly the location will change. If you want to go with the default path, then go with the install now. You want to change the path, click on the customize installation. The third one is there, which is the important point, guys. The third one, checkbox. Checkbox is there. Okay, checkbox here. So what checkbox here? If I click the mark here, then automatically our Python will add to the environment variable, guys. I told you very clear, right? I told you what's the point. I told you previously. The interviews they're asking now installing, right? Installing Python, right? And Python path setting also. Python path setting, guys. Installing Python and Python path setting. Okay. If you click this one, automatically path will set, guys. Automatically path will set. If you click this one, suppose sir I forgot this one, then any problems are, if you forgot here, then manually you can create the path, guys. all of it. If you click here, then we can reduce one step, which step again creating manually. That's why don't forget the step, guys. Don't forget the step. Click here. If you forget also, no issues. Okay. Later you can do manually also. Right, manual also possible. So if I do, why this one required, sir? If I don't do anything, any problem is there. So guys, if you don't take the path, right, then there may be no problem if you want to work with only Python programs. Only Python program you want to work with. If you don't click checkbox, also no issues, guys. Suppose if you want to install in third-party packages, if you want to work with Django, Pandas, at that time it may throw error. It may throw error compulsorily, guys. That's why to avoid that all future headaches, now only click the checkbox, checkbox, and click on this one, guys. Now, so what I'm taking now, click checkbox, and now click on the install now. These two, guys, don't forget. Okay, that's first one here. Click on the checkbox. Then this second step, click on this one, install now. Install. Okay, install now. Install now. Now click on this one. Click on this one. I'll show you path also. Show you guys. I show you path also. Okay. Right. Now all of observe, right. So setup was successful. Setup was successful. Now click close, guys. Click on the close. Enough, guys. See, Python installing over. That's all. Only one step, right? Only one step. Just open the software. It asks us install now, customize installation, and checkbox. That's all. Click the checkbox and click on the install now. Enough, guys. Just only one click and so two clicks and checkbox select and click on the install now. Python installing over. Then how to set the path? That's the important point, guys. How to set the path? How to set the path? Okay, set the path. Right. So what is the default path? See, when you click on the install now, at that give the default path like see users Narayana app data something is there. Let us try now. I'm trying to open that one, guys. Let us try now, right? Let us try now. First open the C drive, right? C drive. Then right, users, yes, users. Click on the users. Next, right, Narayana is there. Narayana, right? Narayana. Yes, guys. Okay, Narayana is there. After Narayana, what is there? App data folder is there, right? App data, right? See, guys, if you observe very clearly here, what is there? App data is there. What is there? App data is there folder. But observe clearly, these all folders are in the right yellow color, and this folder is a light yellow color, guys. Light yellow color is there. See, remaining also it's also red yellow colors. Right, it's also yellow, right? Yellow colors, guys. Yellow colors is there. But here Pure yellow is not there. Very light yellow is there. Very light color yellow. That means this is the which one hidden folder. That is the which one right hidden folder. That is the hidden folder. Guys, hidden folder. For hidden folders, it will be the which one very light color. Guys, very light color. For which one for hidden folders. Okay. Now by default, this is not visible. By default, this is not visible. Okay. Just go to the top, and you can see right a view tab is there. Which tab? View tab is there. Click on the view tab. Then if you click on the view tab, then you can see which one hidden items checkbox is there. That is selected now, but actually by default it is not selected by default. Okay. If I uncheck this one, then automatically this app data from here will disappear, guys. The app data from here will disappear. Okay, let us see now. Click on observe the folder also. I click here, then see now what happened here. App data is not there. Means so only up to Narayana the folder, the path is visible. Of Narayana the path is hiding. All of you observe the logic here, right? Up to only this one, the path is visible, right? Up to here only the path is visible. Up to see users Narayana path visible, right? Of Narayana onwards, path is there, but hidden path, guys, hidden path. Okay, let us see complete path. Now to get the path, just go to the view tab and click on the which one, right? Hidden items. All right, hidden items. Yes, guys. Okay, what is there? App data is there. Now open the app data. Local. Next, just go down, guys. Let's take here, right? I think programs. Yes, Python is there. Python, yes. Okay. So guys, this is my already, right? This is what I'm using already. This one, right? Just today, see, today only I installed, just now only, right? This is installed. This one installed later. I think around guys when I think right. Maybe 4 months back, I think, right? It is there. Maybe 4 months back, I installed this one, guys, Python 3.6. Okay, fine. Now, what do I do? All right, what do I do? Because, guys, right, for every batch, for every Python batch, what do? I keep on uninstall, install. I keep on do these things. Okay, right. But I'm not sure whether this is the year or sorry, month or date. Okay. Okay, it may be anything. Okay, this is my current existing version, guys. This is the new version. This is the new version. Okay, now what I want now, I want set the path. I want set the path. So all of you observe clearly. Open the Python or Python. Open the Python and take this path. See, in our Python, these are the default folders. These are the default files for everybody, guys. For everybody. And also, guys, for everyone, this is the default path, common path, except this name, guys. This is the only will change. It's my mission, so my name is there. So my name is there. In your mission, guys, your name will be there. Your name will be there. Or maybe the computer like a Dell, Lenovo, HP, Compaq, that name will be there. Or else your name will be there. Remaining folders are common for everybody, guys. Remaining common for everyone. Okay, right. And in this Python folder, right, these are the common folders and files, guys. These are the common folders and files for everybody in Python software. Okay, now I copy the Python path. I copy the Python path. Why, sir? Why this path required? Why? Because see, in Python folder, see, Python language run by whom? Python programs run by whom? By the interpreter. By the interpreter. And guys, you can find the interpreter here. You can find the interpreter. This is the interpreter, guys. This is the interpreter. All of clear, right? The Python programs run by whom? Interpreter. That's why I want the interpreter path. That's why I take this path. Yes. Okay, this is the interpreter path. All of you observe. This is the right. This is the complete path. This is the full path, guys. This is the full path. It is the right full path of Python. Why this path required, guys? Why this path taken? Because in this path, who is there? Who is there, right? Who is there? Enter, right? Interpreter is there. Interpreter is there. Who is there? Interpreter is there, guys. Interpreter is there. So why interpreter? Because right, it executes Python programs. Python, right? Python programs, guys. Python programs. Python programs. All of clear, right? Okay. Or else 1 second, guys. Okay. So this is the path. So in this path, who is there? In this path, who is there? In this path, interpreter is there. Why interpreter required? Interpreter required to execute the programs. Okay, to execute the programs, we need the interpreter. We need the interpreter, guys. Okay, interpreter. It's clear, right? All of you observe. I'm taking the Python path. Why Python path? In the Python path, what is there? Interpreter is there. Why interpreter? To execute the Python programs, to execute the Python programs. Okay, fine. Now, actually, we need one more path also. Which path? Just observe now. Scripts is right. Scripts fault is there. In Python path only, what is there? Scripts is the right. Scripts is there. Open the scripts. Open the scripts, guys. Okay. Open the scripts. And in the scripts, by default, 5 files are there. So one is about the pip, about the easy install. So why pip is used to install the third-party packages? For same purpose, we use easy install also. But it's the old type. This is the released in 2004, guys. Easy install came in the 2004, but Python pip came in the 2008. But both are for the same purpose, installing the third-party packages. Okay. So what is there here? Pip is there. That's why I take this path also. Why this path? Tell me now. Why this path I'm taking? Why I'm taking this path? Who is in this path? Who is there? Who is there? Pip is there, right? Pip is there, guys. Why pip required? Why pip required? Which one? It installs, right? It installs. It installs Python packages. Okay. It installs which one? Python, right? Python packages. That's all. It installs Python packages. All of you observe clearly. So always we need interpreter and the pip. Why interpreter required? To execute Python programs. Why pip required? To install the Python packages. Python packages. These both are compulsory required, guys, in Python. All of you, I hope, guys, you are following me, right? Okay. So now I have taken two paths. One is a Python path. In Python path, who is there? Interpreter is there. Why interpreter? Because to execute Python programs. Okay. This is the Python path. Second one, which path? Scripts path. In the scripts path, who is there? Pip is there. Okay. Then why pip? It installs the Python packages. Which packages? Third-party packages. Third-party packages. Okay. So these two paths we have to set manually. These two paths we have to set now. We have to set as a default path. Then so what I am doing here, I take the first path. All of you observe. I take the first path. I pasted here. Take the semicolon. I take the second path. Just I paste, guys. Contention only. That's all, guys. Okay. I'm taking the both paths as a single path now with the separation. What separation here? Semicolon separation is there. That's all. Now this single path now I make as a default path. Default path. I hope guys are clear right till now. Okay. So now what is the, guys, here? Now what is there? Just a path selected or path created. But we have set the path now. Set the path. How to set the path, guys? Okay. So two ways are there. Two ways to set path. Two ways to set path, guys. To set path. Two ways are there. So one is right by going with my computer properties, guys. My computer properties. There we do an operation. Properties. Okay. Properties. The second one is by going with the control panel also, right? Control panel also possible, guys, right? Both are possible. All right. So this path only we set as a default path in two ways. One is by using my computer properties. Second one by using control panel, right? By using right control panel, guys, right? Control panel. Okay. So fine. Before that one, all of you observe, right? All of you just observe, guys. Okay. In our class, see, for everybody, yesterday evening I shared a link. Along with the link, everyone got unique ID, guys. Okay. All got unique IDs. All got a unique IDs, guys. Okay. And now you people see the people who got the IDs, they enter like this. All of right. So you all people must enter IDs like this. You all people, right? Today, because first day you don't know, right? That's why some people given the names like this. Some people given the names. Okay. So names are given like this. Names are given like this. But guys, please tomorrow onwards, don't display the name. Just display the ID which is given to you along with the link in the last night. For everybody, I given the new link except two students in the class because they came just on the early morning. They asked me a link except two students. But remaining all got the IDs, right? All of you observe compulsorily you have to give the enter, right? See, yesterday I shared the one message to you, one WhatsApp message like this. Hi student, good evening, right? Please join tomorrow onwards. This is the link. After link, you can see this ID is there like this. ID is there. This is your student ID. Please display your ID in the session attendance list. Okay. All of you guys, tomorrow onwards compulsorily you must enter your IDs, guys, compulsorily. All of right. Okay. So see, today so many are there. So many did not enter the ID because okay, they may don't know how to enter the ID, but fine. But tomorrow onwards, please. Okay, tomorrow onwards, just don't enter the IDs. Okay, enter only. So don't enter the names, guys. Enter the only IDs only. Only IDs, guys. Only IDs. That's all. If you still enter the only name means our admin person, he will dismiss from the class, guys. If any edit two times is there, observe I am giving some points. If any edit two times is there, okay. Suppose imagine let's take two names, okay. Jagannath is there, Revanth is there. Maybe in the class we can have the two Jagannaths or two Revanths, but IDs must different, right? IDs must different. The number must different, right? Suppose it's same name, just okay, I'm going example. Okay, don't worry. Suppose same ID as it is repeating, same ID, same number, same name, then both will be dismissed from the class. Both guys, both will dismiss from the class. Jagannath, I'm giving an example. Don't worry, okay? Don't scolding, okay? Just I've got an example. I'm saying. So I'm saying like that. If any ID repeat two times, that one both IDs, both the names will dismiss from the class, guys. Because I have seen multiple times in all other batches, right? One ID will repeat three times. The same ID. Suppose 18 is there, 18, again 18, again 18. Three times IDs will be there. Right? Okay, that's why, guys. Okay, tomorrow onwards, right? Just please enter the IDs instead of write your name, okay. How to edit the name? Yes, Gupta, correct point. How to edit the name, right? See, sometimes it join automatically. Then at that time, what do you do, guys? At that time, see, suppose let's take one name is there, right? Suppose Karthi, right? Karthi is there. In the side, I think in the side or somewhere, one you can have three dots will be there. You can have three dots like this. At your name, check once, right side, three dots will be there. Okay, click on three dots. That asks us edit your name and email. Edit your name and email, guys. It asks you edit your name and email. All of you now only try once. Just all of try once. Now only we clear the problem. If any problem is there, all of you just don't go out of the class. Here only at right side for your name, maybe three dots will be there. Maybe the three dots will be there, right? Three dots will be there. Click on the dots. It open one window like this. Task us edit your email ID and name like this. Edit your email and name like this. Just enter the ID, guys. All of please no one try once. See, Adhinaran, every month update. This is we cannot say, right? It's their wish. Depends upon, right? They're available. They keep on release the versions. But in every version, maybe very small difference will be there. Not multiple difference. Very small, very small difference. Minor difference is there. Minor differences will be there. See, because the same Python, right? For multiple, suppose this is for website purpose. This is for like AWS purpose. This is for games purpose, right? Games purpose. See, this is for suppose like some scientific application purpose. This is for networks. This Python for testing, right? This Python for something like GUI applications, and this Python for some data science applications like this. So Python can be used in multiple ways, right? That's why see this much. See, this is suppose our Django. Okay, this is our Django, right? This is suppose a Pygame. Okay, Pygame module. Games purpose. This is for PyMySQL, right? PyMySQL. See, this month they may do some edit here, some modification here. Doesn't mean the remaining people should know what is the modified here. They're not required because this month modified in the Django. See, next month they may do any modification in the Pygame, right? At that time, the remaining people no need to know what is the modified in the Pygame because we're about the Django, we're about the AWS, about the which one our like data science, about the DevOps, about the AI. I don't want what is modified in the Pygame because Python for multiple purpose, right? It's general purpose. So that's why don't worry, sir. Every month we have to learn the new versions, are no not required. Because the thing is here Python for multi-purpose, right? Multi-purpose. So keep on, right? Keep on, it comes. Okay, right? Mahesh, correct, right? So left side, maybe inside, right? Click on three dots. Rate information and direct name. Mahesh, by see this one, I thought that the idiots. Okay, I thought the idiots. Why say idiots like this? There's observe clear. Oh, it's three dots. Okay, fine. Okay, right. Fine, guys. Okay, so all of you just now will try it, guys. Now only try it. You try it. So that tomorrow we can avoid the problem in the beginning class. It's almost joined with ideas. Sir, if someone will copy my ID and they'll give to another person, right? Another person. So at that time, no issues, Somsi. See, for everything there's alternate, right? Okay, alternative is there. So someone, right? Someone will copy your ID and give it to some other person. So at that time, suppose now two times is there. Imagine now, suppose your ID is at NTH, right? NTH P6, suppose double two, right? Double two. Some OMC, right? OMC. Your ID is right. OMC is there. Okay. You're saying that so same ID. If any other join, then what happens? We have some alternatives are there. How to find out who is the genuine person, who is trying with other IDs. We have the alternatives. Okay, don't worry. That's not possible. Right, fine. So all of you just try it. Try with which one? This one, guys. ID. All of try with ID. So tomorrow, guys, compulsory, right? You must join with ID only, guys. Because for all the people yesterday, I gave the IDs. Actually, I told you I shared the ID by afternoon yesterday. But because I am the person who is maintaining almost everything, right? That's why it is taken more time for me to prepare the IDs for everybody to share it